Have you ever tried using AI writing tools, but ended up with an article that sounds like it was generated by a robot? The kind of writing that's full of awkward phrasing, cliches, and a general sense of detachment from real human language. Well, you're not alone. In fact, a recent survey found that a staggering 82% of writers struggle to create authentic-sounding content with AI assistance. But what if I told you that you can write better with AI without sounding like a robot? By the end of this video, you'll learn how to harness the power of AI writing tools to produce high-quality, engaging content that resonates with your audience. First, let's set the stage. AI writing tools have become increasingly popular in recent years, with many businesses and individuals turning to them for help with content creation. The problem is, many of these tools rely on algorithms that can come across as stilted and unnatural. But what if I told you that there's a way to use AI writing tools without